right, so we decided to do a one-piece seal on this small block Chevy. And the nice thing about this is comes with bolts. So I've got all new bolts here for the oil pan. I've got the oil pan all cleaned up. I did put a little bit of RTV down in the corners on each side back here. So, but yeah, I think this is a better way to go. Better way to go. Better. Been a day of test driving at Meldrum's Monster Garage. We're trying them all out today, seeing which one we like. They just keep bringing them over to me. Pretty wicked. Hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. You can see we've been busy out here in Meldrum's Monster Garage working on this small block Chevy. We've got a beautiful coat of orange paint on it. We've got a new one-piece gasket on the oil pan. We've got a new water pump. We've got a remanufactured alternator on there. I got all our pulleys and fans and everything painted up nice. And looking to go back into the car. So a lot of elbow grease there, and it's looking good. I just threw the carburetor on there. Carburetor's not, I mean, it could use a little more cleaning and scrubbing, but I'm not gonna go crazy. The car was running good, so you know, what's the point? I think it looks pretty good. And like I say, this isn't a high performance motor. We've got a new water pump on there, and like I say, all new gaskets. So she should be good to go, but I've got to clean the engine compartment up now to kind of match everything up. So hopefully everybody is liking my YouTube channel. Don't forget, we got a contest going on till the end of the year. If you went ahead and donated your time or resources to a charity event over the holiday season or this year, you know, you're in for a drawing for that 1970 Chevelle restoration book. And then of course, if you subscribe to my channel, we'll give you one additional entry. So there you go. So I'm tuckered out. I'm gonna go in the house and relax. So from Meldrum's Monster Garage, see ya.